I'm just giving a prompt here. Check, go to google.com and search for latest tech updates in AI and give me 2 points. Okay, now I'm going to run the agents. See, let's see what it will do. It started on its own. See, I'm not using my mouse. So it started searching everything on its own. It is working independently. So I think I has to get this, or if it's open that website, then the answers will be the other things. So let's see what will be the results. Agent is nothing but it works on behalf of us. It divided the main prompt into subtasks and execute one by one. If it fails, it iterates through these tasks. So you need to keep hands on this agentic AI or something. It will update you everything what is happening in terminal. Also see what evaluation it is making, what evaluation it is doing, what is the task, how it is sharing the knowledge. Yeah, it is done actually. So let's see, the task is updated. Let's see the answer. Yeah. So Meta beefs up AI security with new Lambda tools. UK opens Europe's first e-beam semiconductor chip lab. Duolingo shifts to AI first model cutting contractor. Okay. See, seriously. Yeah. This is another example. If you want to try the same thing in your personal laptop, just comment agent. So I'll share you the GitHub link and the process like how to do this.